Hey, my loves. It's been a while. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm just gonna do it real quick, and I'll just be super quick, you guys. So basically, I live in Washington State, and you know about the protest stuff going on, the chop and the chance stuff. But yeah, I was kind of close to that, so that kind of put me in a different kind of mood or whatever you could say. So just me doing nails, and then I had family stuff going on too. I just wasn't feeling it, you guys. So that's why I was gone for like 2 weeks. But I do apologize, but I had to be to myself. I need some time to myself, and everything that was going on, it just didn't feel right. All right, so I got this from Cocotique, you guys. Another beauty box for hair. You see it's a little different now. Channeling your inner beauty, love your texture. All right, good stuff. Okay, so we're about to get into this bag, you guys. So you see by the title, there's gonna be 2 hauls at once, maybe. I'm not sure if we'll figure it out. If not, okay. Ooh, so these are the little middle facial rollers, and this one is a midi jade one. It's for your face. Oh, I always wanted one of these rollers for your face. I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna do that. I am recording. Gosh. Okay, so this is everything that's inside, you guys. This is like a little cheat sheet to know what's inside. And here she is with her fabulous hair. Okay, so let's get into this bag, not a box. Okay, so this is Underguard Refresh for personal care, for hygiene, for men who don't feel comfortable talking about it. It's from women for men. Okay, so we actually have a product out that's not made by men, you guys. It's made by females and it's for males. That's a different one. So come in July, so they might be out already, but you could check them out. They're on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, you guys. We wipe our hands of racism, of hate and injustice, and we stand for hope. We stand for love. We stand for true freedom. We stand for a community and hope in one generation, that one day a generation will change. So Underguard wipes for men, check them out. It's a cleansing cloth. All right, guess you guys be doing a lot, huh? You guys be active in these streets. Like, okay, so right here, this is Reshma. This is some face wash, you guys. It's honey and lemon. It is 5 fluid ounces. The top is on, but I got something like this. Is what is it? Kale. Try that one out, you guys. It really works. It's really good. I'm not gonna open this one. It's still closed. So yeah, it helps clear skin, purify healing, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory products. Okay, so this is like a whole set, you guys. This one, this is 8 fluid ounces. This is innate. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm all over the place today. I can't even pronounce words right and stuff. What's wrong with me? Okay, so it's an anti-frizz straightening cream. It's with Hawaiian deep sea water, bamboo, and coconut. That smells pretty good. It smells like if someone said they want like a smell something like the ocean or the summertime or whatever. I think that's kind of it. This is a fix hold mist. It came off. This is 8 fluid ounces as well. That smells like some cologne. It smells like some men's cologne that I smelled before. Like you go to Walmart or something. Ross. Okay. Oh, this is huge. It's 12 ounces instant hydrating conditioner infused with mineral oils. This is the brand that's made in the UK, you guys. So the paraben free, sulfate free, phosphate free, cruelty free, mineral oil free, grain alcohol free, and it lasts 12 months. And recyclable. That's what that means right there. If I could be wrong. So, Adora to Cabello Texturado. Don't pay attention to how I pronounce that. I'm horrible. Oh, this smells good too. I like thick conditioners. My hair is thick, so it like really helps. Okay, so this is the anti-freeze texture cream. I think they all smell the same pretty much. Yeah, pretty much smell the same. This is 8 ounces. Okay, and we have this right here. This is from Twisted Sister. It's a clarifying shampoo with avocado, almonds, and coconut oil. It cleanses, hydrates, and nourishes. This is 12 months too. Paraben free, sulfate free. Ingredient, you guys, on the back. If you want to pause or whatever. This is 12 ounces and it's pretty thick, as you can see. The consistency. It's not like thin shampoo, so I don't know if you're like that. And this is some bronzer, you guys. Bronze and glow cream for face and body. 12 months most likely, you guys. I'm not going to use this, so this will probably be like in a giveaway or something for face and body. I'm not really like a glowy bronzy kind of person like that. Oh, and this right here, this is some volumizing waterproof mascara. This is black. It's really cool. I really like it. I like how it's like a nice grip. You guys can see how it's pushed in, so it's easy for you to grab and hold. Okay, you guys, that is about it. Yeah, so I'm putting another video out. We'll put them together, but I'm like, no, make them separate. Oh, you know what? Forget it. I changed my mind. Let's just do this anyway. Alright. So, let me move this out the way, but let me show you everything I got real quick. And if you don't want to see this part, you can skip to the like 30 seconds, I guess. So this is everything you get in the kit for June, you guys. You get a lot of stuff. I like this. Hey, you get like 8 things? Hold up. I don't know how much all this is worth, but I know it's worth a lot. I'm going to tell you that much right now. Yeah, I know it is. Oh. And you guys, there's coupons on here. Coupon codes. I'm going to move by really slowly, in case you guys want to like take screenshots or whatever. Oh, and don't forget, you guys, I have it in the comments below, and I'll put it in the what's it called? You know, the thing that you guys look at. Oh my gosh, in the description box. I'm sorry, the description box. I'll put it in the description box, you guys. I'll put it in the description box. You get 10% off if you guys use my code, you guys. All right, and it's well worth it. Like, this box is $25 with free shipping, or it's $20 with $5 shipping. But whatever it is, it's $25 altogether, you guys. But yeah, check them out, Cocotique. And let's move on to the next one, you guys. This one, they don't play with their packaging. I have no scissors or nothing over here, so please work with me, you guys. I was trying to go live, but the thing on my computer was taking way too long, and my phone, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. Okay, so maybe I'll go live next time on Instagram and YouTube at the same time. I'll get everything set up. All right, you guys. So, oh, I forgot to turn my other light on so you guys can really see. My bad. You can see everything. Okay, so you guys already know about this. If you don't, here she is right here. This is her company. It's Nappy Lovebox TV. She's on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And she got a website, nappylovebox.com. Let's open this, and this is, it gets my eyes sometime. Alright, you guys. Hello, beautiful. Oh, if you guys don't know, that's why I said that. It's like she already know about me. She already know I'm beautiful. Love it. Okay. Got a thank you card, Nappy Love Box, LLC. Embrace your beauty. This is everything that's inside. Okay, I like the thing I like about her stuff is like, it's pretty much all the same brand, which is a big plus. Because you know, you get some, you want to try all this stuff out, right? Sometime. Okay, so we got some duckbill clips. I ain't seen these in forever. Forever? Let me stop seeing this stuff. Okay, you get 12 of these from Diane. You got these right here. These are like old school. Okay, so right here we have the Diana brush. It's for everyday tangling. It's black and silver paddle brush. This brush could be used basically on any kind of hair. I use it on my hair. I ain't see people using a lot of hair. It's just you have to be careful. I use it sometimes to straighten my hair. And here she go again, as always. She taped everything up, you guys, so that it would actually accidentally spill out or anything like that. So right here, this is Shea Moisture brand. It's the Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate, repair, and protein power treatment with marufu and baobab oils. Straight to protect extremely dry brittle hair. Okay, so I like this. This is family owned and operated, you guys. I think they still, I don't know, but I want to open it so bad, but she taped it up so good to where you can't get into it. Shoot, yeah, some of my stuff, not from her, not from here, but from other like companies, it was like that. Okay, so I'm about to take the tape off of all of these, and I'll be right back because I really want to smell them. I really do. You know what? Yeah. Let me just do this one. So right here we have the Hydrate Repair and Conditioner. It's 13 ounce. Made with fair trade shea butter. If you don't know about fair trade, check it out. Okay, so oh, this is that thick. Sorry, I'm not singing. I thought I smelled coconut. I was gotta trip it out. So I'm about to read the ingredients, you guys, because it does smell coconut in here. You know, it might be the I don't know. There's a lot of stuff in here, but I don't see no coconut. I don't know. It's like, it smells good, but it's not like the best thing I ever smelled in the world. You know, it smells like more of like a clean smell, I guess you could say. Let me take this off. Okay, so this is the leave-in action, multi-action leave-in. It hydrates and repairs. Alright, it's for brittle and extremely dry hair. This is super thick, you guys. Got honey and yogurt in here. That's what's up. A yogurt extract. I like that a lot. Okay, so let's get into this last one, you guys. So this is the Fairtrade 13 fluid ounce shampoo. This shampoo, it's like a creamy, thick consistency. Oh, that just popped. Okay. Alright, but if you guys can see, it's like super thick. Let me see. Can you guys see? It's thicky thick. It's on the thick side. If I wasn't in focus, you guys, in the view, I'm so sorry. I apologize. I feel bad. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in that box. So you get this the protein treatment. I need that right now because my hair is dyed too and all that kind of stuff. So you got the shampoo, conditioner, and you got the leave-in conditioner and the protein treatment, which was I like that a lot. So you got all this stuff together. You got this paddle brush. You got some duckbill clips. You guys know about that. And you got the thank you card and with everything that's inside. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys in another one next month, hopefully. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, if you guys like any of these products, just check them out, you guys. I'll leave the link below for all the stuff. And don't forget, I have the 10% off when you guys check out Cocotique. Alright, you guys, I'll catch you in my next one. Peace.